Newton's universal law of gravitation. Every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. The direction of the force is along the line joining the centers of the two objects. The formula reveals that when M1 and M2 are large, F is large, that is, the gravitational force of attraction between heavier bodies is larger than that between the lighter bodies. If we double the distance between two bodies, the gravitational force of attraction between them becomes 1/4. If the distance between the two bodies is halved, the gravitational force of attraction between them becomes 4 times. Importance of the universal law of gravitation explains several phenomena such as the binding of the terrestrial objects around the Earth, the holding of the atmosphere around the Earth, rainfall and snowfall on the Earth, the flow of water in the rivers, revolution of artificial satellites around the Earth, revolution of the planets around the Sun, the formation of tides by the rising and falling of water level in the oceans due to the gravitational force of attraction which the Sun and the Moon exert on the sea water.
A55, B53 और C72.
The predictions about solar and lunar eclipse are made on the basis of this law.
अच्छा ठीक है, तो आपका ये एक लीनियर पेयर यहाँ से क्यों किसको इसको ए को और बी को क्या करना है, किसको क्या था ए ऐड किया वो बी प्लस 55 प्लस 72
प्लस
बी नहीं आपको कुछ मतलब ये थोड़ा सा मुझे ये बैठ नहीं रहा लीनियर पेयर अगर आप योर लीनियर पेयर आपका सीधे जैसे बनता है ना एक लाइन स्ट्रेट लाइन ये लीनियर पेयर होता है ठीक है। तो अगर आपने रीजन लीनियर पेयर दिया है तो आप बी लिए हो प्लस आपका 72 इसका नाम भी रख सकते हो सी डी रख सकते हो इसका नाम ठीक है। तो ये हो गया और प्लस क्या हो गया 55 आपका ये ए का वैल्यू आ गया क्लियर कहा था ना आपने
Archimedes' principle.
और ये की वैल्यू रख दिया आपने इसको बी का निकाल लिया।
A Greek philosopher, Archimedes, noticed that the water in a bathtub overflowed when he stepped into it.
वो एक ट्रायंगल का निकाल रहे हो अगर पूरा तो ट्रायंगल का सम क्या होता है आपका जरूर नहीं करना।
This observation helped him to determine the purity of the gold in the crown made for the king. Later, this principle was named as Archimedes' principle, after his name. In this module, we will learn about the Archimedes' principle. Take a large piece of metal. Hang it from a spring balance. Slowly lower the spring balance in the water. As the spring balance is lowered in the water, the reading of the balance will decrease, and this decrease will continue as the metal is further lowered in the water. Once the metal is completely submerged in the water, the reading of the balance will become constant even if the metal is further lowered. The apparent loss in weight of a body immersed in a liquid is stated by Archimedes' principle. The principle states that when a body is immersed partially or wholly in a liquid at rest, it experiences an upthrust which is equal to the weight of the liquid. have been displaced. This upward thrust is called as buoyant force.
तो आपको कैसे क्वेश्चन आया था कि जो कोई